say that I'm really from the bottom of my heart. You may try to call it, you know that I will fight. Say you may moan and holler, you may bark and bite, you may try to collar me, but you know that I will fight. Dog man, I'm a doggone man, I'm a dog man, doggone man. Long gone. I like to go on the streets at night. I like to live the man. I like to lay my head down over the line of children. Dog man, doggone man, dog man, long gone man. Doggone, long gone, doggone, long gone. That's what she said. Long gone, doggone. I sort of have to agree with her. I mean, what can I say at that point? I thought real long and hard, and I said, "Oh." It's a natural range, you know, it's guys are sort of like dogs anyway, right? We go around pissing on trees and scratching up the ground. See other guys pissing on our tree. Oh, I like to roam the streets at night, I like the riverbank. I like to lay my head down over like a shower. 'Cause I'm a dog man, dog man. try to cover me, but you know that I will fight. I said you may moan and holler, you may bark and bite, you may try to cover me, but you know that I will fight. I'm a dog man, doggone man, I'm a dog man, doggone